You know, it's important to read everything you can. It's important to ask questions of everybody you can. Everything that I've learned in life, business, sports, or life, has been from somebody else. I have never had an original thought. That's really the truth. Creativity comes from asking questions and listening, exposing yourself to all types of diverse people and all types of diverse thinking. Years ago, I was reading something about Oprah Winfrey. Pretty successful, I'd say, huh? And Oprah Winfrey, with all of her billions that she's made, she may be the richest woman in the world, and deservedly so. She's a tremendous woman, a great talent, and a great moneymaker. And she said something, either I've heard it or read it in one of her books, where she said that she signed all of her checks. She didn't let anybody else sign the checks. She knew every nickel and dime that went out the door. And so about 15 years ago, I started signing every check. I was amazed at how many errors I caught. I was amazed at where I was spending money that I didn't need to spend money. I was amazed at things I was overpaying for that I didn't need to be overpaying for. This one little detail. We got to look at every little detail of what we do in our business, not overlook anything. And one of the really important details is you be sure that you're the one that signs every check that goes out the door. And that way, you will be in control of your business, no matter what.